Coffee for fat burning. If you're looking for a natural way to support your weight loss journey, coffee might just be the answer. Beyond giving you that much-needed morning energy boost, coffee can play a role in fat burning. When combined with exercise and a healthy diet, it may even speed up the weight loss process. But how exactly does coffee contribute to fat burning, and what can you do to maximize its benefits? Coffee's fat-burning potential mainly comes from its high caffeine content. Caffeine is a natural stimulant known for boosting metabolism. When you drink coffee, it triggers a process called thermogenesis, where your body produces heat and burns more calories, even when you're not moving. This can contribute to weight loss over time by increasing your metabolic rate. Studies show that caffeine can increase metabolism by 3 to 11% for a few hours after consumption. This means you're burning extra calories, making coffee an excellent addition to any fat-burning routine. Another fat-burning benefit of coffee is its ability to promote fat oxidation. Fat oxidation is the process your body uses to break down fat and convert it into energy. Drinking coffee, especially before a workout, can encourage your body to burn fat instead of carbohydrates for fuel. This is particularly effective during cardio workouts, where fat oxidation is most active. Plus, coffee can enhance your exercise performance, allowing you to burn more calories and lose weight more efficiently. While coffee alone can help with fat burning, combining it with a supplement like Java Burn can amplify the results. Java Burn is a natural weight loss supplement designed to work synergistically with coffee. It contains a blend of ingredients that promote fat burning, reduce cravings, and enhance metabolism. Java Burn is easy to use. Simply add it to your morning coffee, and it dissolves quickly without altering the taste. This powerful combination can give you an extra edge in your weight loss journey, helping you burn fat more effectively throughout the day. To maximize the fat-burning benefits, it's best to drink coffee about 30 to 60 minutes before exercise. This allows the caffeine to kick in, providing you with an energy boost and increasing your fat-burning potential during your workout. While coffee can be great for fat loss, adding too much sugar, cream, or flavored syrups can quickly counteract the benefits. Opt for black coffee or low-calorie alternatives like almond milk and stevia to keep your coffee healthy. Coffee is a simple yet powerful tool in fat burning, especially when combined with regular exercise and a balanced diet. With its metabolism-boosting and fat oxidation effects, it can support your weight loss efforts. For an even greater impact, consider adding Java Burn to your daily coffee routine, giving your body the extra push it needs to burn fat efficiently.